A pleasant good morning to everyone and welcome you all to the invigorating session centered around the theme Health is Happiness.
Make me a servant, humble and meek. Lord, let me lift up those who are weak.
I extend my warm greetings and heartfelt welcome to all our esteemed guests.
Charles Moderator Siamai to light the lamp.
All are happy? Really, you are happy? If our health is good, then we will be happy. Health is happiness.
So how many of you love singing?
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? They wanna sing out loud and say, it's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do what I want to do. Oh, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you.
Have you seen anyone special in this room? This is Buddy. And this is Billy.
Everybody, come and have your breakfast.
Do you think I will like it? But is burger healthy food? No, no,